Ultralight premium plywood, 18 mil and 12 mil. The same material that I used a few years ago to build the Smart Wood Shop. And just a couple of weeks ago, I let you know that it was available again. And not only is it available, it's available in all 48 states. Reparadise, an incredibly cool company out of Salt Lake that does RV interiors like on old Airstreams, and they have build-out kits for like Sprinter vans. They know that RV market, and they have a beautiful system for building out the interiors of those things. And this is the very material they use for that as well. They are the ones that are bringing it direct to your door. Contact Sam directly and let him know what you want and where you're at. He will be the one that will put together orders from your area. So if you contact Sam and somebody 25 miles from you does and somebody 10 miles, he can put all those together and then, pick one location that's convenient. Say there's a cabinet shop that wants a unit, and there's somebody else 45 miles away that just want a few pieces. It can all go to the one location, and then you can go and pick up your smaller order from there. That's how they're keeping the shipping costs down. They've already done that to multiple locations. So to restate the point of this video, go directly to Sam. Let him be the one that puts together the packages for your region, and then you'll know exactly what it's going to cost you both for the material and the shipping. If you're still hanging out with me this late in the video, I know you're seriously interested in this ultralight plywood. So I'll give you a little more close-up information. So the 18 mil ply weighs 57 pounds, and it has 13 laminations or 13 plies. I really hope the camera picks this up. This stuff is absolutely beautiful. There's no particle wood or chip wood or any of that stuff. This is all wood. The face, both the back and the front face, are AC, this beautiful stuff. And both sides are super sanded to 220. Not only is it light, well-made, beautiful stuff, it is ready to use. The 12 mil weighs 39 pounds and has 9 plies. And again, just take a look at those plies. The glue is a breathe-free exterior grade adhesive, calibrated 0.3 millimeters. BIFMA testing, they're all there. Select hardwoods and softwoods. It's all renewable farm grown, so they're not cutting down our tropical forests. Mahalo for hanging out with me in the Smart Wood Shop. You stay safe and have a great day.